Chile fun. Fun in Chile. We're in Fletcher's little shed right here, and this is where all of our equipment is. We're staged here for the swell. There's a really big swell coming here tomorrow, at least 5 meters, so at least 15 feet tomorrow. And we're ready to tow and paddle, whatever it calls for. Got all the equipment ready to go and prepped. So yeah, it's just odd, you know, being a surfer and traveling around. One day you're getting your biggest wave boards ready and your tow boards ready and all your equipment, and you're so laced up the night before, and you think it's gonna be 5-6 meters, like 20 foot. And here we are, it's the next day, and I'm getting my 6'3" ready, and total change of equipment, change of plans. Just waves aren't as big as I expected, but still a lot of energy out there, and I think we're gonna go out and do some jet ski assisted paddle surfing. You know, a little bit paddle surfing and some step offs. It's so long here, the waves go forever, and there's just so much work to get back out in current. And utilizing the jet skis is going to just increase our wave riding time and just have a fun day. Different approach, and what our plan was from yesterday is like off the point. I was thinking huge Lobos, ride my 9.4, ride my 5.5 tow board, like, but still having a good time. So fast. Oh, so big. Oh. Wow. just had a really fun step off and tow session with Ramon Navarro. We were surfing Punta Lobos today on the inside sandbar, and then we just had a pretty radical session out here at Infernillo. This is all in the same kind of town where Ramon lives, and just had some really fast, long lefts, super long lefts. Nobody out, just us. Pretty excited about the session. Had a really good time. Green, verde con azul, tu vasos.